Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
As we stand at the intersection of ecology and economy, we unveil the concept of green economics. This is the idea that economic growth and environmental integrity are not mutually exclusive, but instead, they can flourish together. Green economics calls for investment in renewable energy, which not only helps in mitigating climate change but also propels technological innovation and job creation in new sectors. Additionally, green economics emphasizes the value of natural capital. By accounting for the economic contributions of healthy ecosystems, such as clean air and water, we pave the way for policies that promote conservation as a cornerstone for sustainable development. Let's reimagine our economy as a garden where what we sow today dictates the vitality of our tomorrow.
The influence of social media on public opinion is both profound and unprecedented. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook have transformed the landscape of communication, becoming the modern-day town squares where opinions are formed and voiced. First, social media breaks down barriers to information dissemination. It allows for the rapid spread of information, enabling anyone with an internet connection to stay updated on global events. This democratization of information empowers individuals, but it also requires a critical eye to navigate the vast sea of content and distinguish between fact and fiction. Second, social media has a unique power to mobilize. It can unite individuals around causes, as seen in movements like #MeToo, which gained momentum through viral social media campaigns, highlighting issues that may otherwise receive limited attention in traditional media outlets. As we engage with social media, let's be mindful of its power to shape our perceptions and the importance of fostering
Let's unfold the realm of literature and its profound impact on society. Literature is not just an escape, it's a mirror that reflects our realities, a lens that sharpens our worldview. Literature fosters empathy. When we dive into the narratives of characters from diverse backgrounds, we live a multitude of lives. This vicarious experience enriches our understanding of others, bridging gaps across cultures and experiences. Furthermore, literature is a catalyst for social change. It has the power to challenge norms, to question policies, and to push boundaries. The works of authors like Harriet Beecher Stowe and George Orwell have spurred movements and reformed societies. As we engage with literature, let us recognize its role in shaping the contours of society. In the pages of books, we find the seeds of the future, sown with words that can move nations.
Today, we celebrate the life of Marie Curie, a woman whose brilliance in the realm of science illuminates the path for researchers and dreamers alike. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win in two different scientific fields. Curie's relentless pursuit of knowledge led to the discovery of two elements, polonium and radium. Her work not only expanded the boundaries of our understanding of radioactivity but also laid the groundwork for developing treatments for cancer. Despite facing societal barriers, her dedication to science never wavered. Marie Curie's legacy teaches us the power of perseverance and the impact of unwavering dedication to one's passion. Her story is a testament to the fact that relentless curiosity and resilience can break through the barriers of gender and social conventions.
Sustainable tourism is a concept vital to preserving the world's cultural and natural heritage. This responsible travel philosophy is about making a positive impact on the environments we visit and the communities we encounter. Firstly, sustainable tourism is about respecting and contributing to local cultures. It involves engaging with tradition, supporting artisan markets, and preserving historical sites. By doing so, we become not just tourists, but advocates for cultural preservation. Secondly, it emphasizes environmental conservation. By choosing eco-friendly accommodations and activities, we minimize our carbon footprint. Practices like leaving no trace and reducing plastic use help protect natural landscapes and wildlife. As we venture out to explore the world, let's commit to sustainable tourism practices. Our conscious choices ensure that the beauty and diversity of our global destinations remain for future travelers to appreciate.